In this video, I will show you exactly how to clear your browsing history in the Mozilla Firefox browser. Whether you want to protect your privacy or simply speed up your browser by removing old data, following these steps will help you wipe your history clean in just a few clicks. To begin, open the Mozilla Firefox browser on your computer. Look at the top right corner of the window and click on the application menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on History. In the new side menu, select the option that says Clear Recent History. A small pop-up window will appear with several settings. First, look at the Time Range to Clear drop-down menu at the top. You can choose to clear the last hour, the last 2 hours, the last 4 hours, today, or everything. For a complete clean, select Everything. Below this, you will see a list of items under the History section. Make sure you check the boxes for browsing and download history, cookies, cache, and form and search history. If you want to keep your saved passwords or site preferences, ensure those specific boxes remain unchecked. Once you have selected the data you wish to remove, click the OK button at the bottom. The window will close and Firefox will immediately delete the selected history. Your browser is now clean and your recent activity has been removed. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. If you have a specific topic or problem you want me to cover in a future video, let me know in the comments below.